Hey guys, what's up? It's Anna and welcome back to my channel. First things first, I just want to apologize that there was no video on Sunday. I was planning on doing a really funny video with my brother, but we ended up having a bunch of technical difficulties. So that video could not go up and I'm really sorry about that, but hopefully we'll get it all figured out and we can post that video in the future. And second, I want to apologize if you hear any background noise. They are paving the road outside, which is really annoying, but it is okay, we will live. Now, for today's video, I'm going to be talking about a Teami Detox tea. Now, this video is not sponsored. They did send me the detox tea and they were kind enough to give you guys a discount code. So if you would like to use the discount code, it is AnnaC15 and it'll get you guys 15% off on their website. So you can go check it out. They don't just have tea, they also have skincare products, and their skincare products are non-GMO, natural, and organic, which I think is super awesome, and I really do want to try their skincare as well. But as for tea, they have so many teas. They have detox teas, they have literally every kind of tea that you could imagine. So if you're into skincare, or if you want to do a detox tea, or if you're just into tea in general, then definitely go and check out their website. I will have it linked in the description, and like I said, you can use my code to get 15% off. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so today I'm going to be talking about their 30-day detox tea. I've been doing this cleanse or detox, whatever you want to call it, for a little bit over a week, so I wanted to kind of give you guys my first impressions and tell you how it works and if it works, because I personally have never done a detox. I've always wanted to, but I've just never really gotten around to it. So when they emailed me, I was like, yeah, sure, I'll definitely try out your products. I have been doing this for a little over a week, so I kind of know how it works and about the benefits and everything of it, and I'm going to be talking to you guys about that today and if it actually does what it says it does. There are two different parts to this detox, and this is the Teami Skinny Tea. You drink 1 cup every single morning. So you just take 1 cup of water and then take a teaspoon of these little leaves, and then you bring it to a boil and let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. And I let mine simmer for 5 minutes just to get the most out of it. And then I just strain the leaves out, and I personally like to put honey in the tea. That's just how I like it. You don't have to, but it says on here that you can if you want. It says our tea is already delicious, but we suggest that our tea lovers add honey, nectar, or lemon if needed. So I'm going to be reading you guys the benefits off of my phone because I did take a screenshot of it, and I'm going to be letting you guys know if I have seen those results yet. For this skinny tea, it is supposed to boost your metabolism. Now, I can't really say anything about that right now, just because I feel like you need to complete the cleanse before you can really see those results. So if you guys want me to do a final review when I'm done with the detox, please let me know in the comments down below. The second thing it says it's supposed to do is naturally suppress your cravings. Now, I do think this one is true because I am a snacker. I love to snack, and after I drank this tea, I really didn't feel the need to. I definitely felt fuller for a longer amount of time, so I just haven't been snacking. The third thing it says is it gives you energy. I have noticed a little bit of an energy boost, not a crazy amount where I'm bouncing off the walls, but I have noticed a little bit of energy, and I usually work out after I drink the tea. It also says it is a coffee replacement. Now, I can't speak on behalf of this one because I am not a coffee drinker. I do drink coffee every once in a while, but I'm not an adamant coffee drinker. So like I said, I can't really speak on that behalf. And the last thing it says is it reduces bloating. Now, I am not one to bloat in the morning. I usually end up bloating more towards the end of the night. So again, I haven't really seen a difference with that. Now we are going to move on to the Teami Colon Tea. Now this is the second half of the detox, so you're supposed to drink 1 of these every other night. The one thing that I will say about this is the one that is going to make you go to the bathroom. I really like how this one is at night, so when I wake up in the morning, I have to go to the bathroom and then that's it. Like I'm not like going to the bathroom all day. My friend has done a couple detox teas and she said they have all made her go to the bathroom like really bad, but I have not found that with this one. So I'm going to read off the benefits of this specific tea. Now, this one is supposed to get rid of the toxins from your body, and I definitely agree with that because like I said, it's flushing your system. That's what it's supposed to do, and so if you're going to the bathroom, then you know it's flushing your system. It also says that it improves your skin complexion, and guys, I agree with this 110%. Like, I love this tea for this reason. In the past couple of months, I've really been struggling so bad with my skin, and as soon as I started this detox, I'm not even kidding, my skin cleared up. And guys, I am not kidding. I will insert a picture of my skin right here. Like I said, I've been on this detox for about a little bit over a week, and this is how my skin looks now. I wish I took a before picture, but I really was not expecting much out of this. I didn't think it was going to clear my skin. Like, I really did not have high hopes because, like I said, I've been struggling with it and nothing was working for me. I also have been drinking a lot of lemon water, so I think just the combination of both of them has really been like clearing my skin. And yeah, like I said, I wish I took a before picture, but I didn't. You guys go to my e.l.f. first impressions video, you can see how bad my skin is, and then if you look at this picture, like, you can definitely see the difference, and that is only in like a week and a half. I would recommend this cleanse simply based on the fact that it has cleared my skin up. It says it aids in weight loss, and before you drink that tea at night, you're supposed to drink 1 cup of water before and then drink the tea. So if you're looking to lose weight, I would definitely try this out. So that is a little bit about the Teami Detox tea. This is my first detox tea, and I figured why not, because it's getting into spring and summer and everybody's trying to get that bikini body. So if you do want to test it out, I'll have the link down below and you can go pick it up for yourself. And if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button down below. We're almost to 5,000 subscribers and I have a giveaway coming up when we hit that. So stay tuned for that. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.